In this video, I'll be showing you how to design a YouTube channel banner using Canva in order to make your channel pop and have that minimal and elegant look. So let's get right into it. First, you want to navigate to canva.com. Canva has templates for most of your design needs. Before choosing one, let's take a look at the YouTube channel banner dimension guidelines. Over here, you can see the dimensions that will be most pronounced on different devices, but our major interest is the area in darker blue, the text and logo save area. This has a dimension of 1546 pixels by 423 pixels, so we will try to keep most of our content within that region. Back in Canva, from the list of templates, select YouTube banner. If you are going to be using Canva for long, I recommend you download the desktop app and continue with it. To your left, under Design, in the Template section, pick a simple template to start with, then we can customize from there. Next, we are going to set up that text and logo save area. For this, drag a rectangle under the element panel. Resize it like so, then while it is selected, click on Position from the bar above. Change the width to 1546 pixels and the height to 423 pixels. Under Align to Page, click Center and then click Middle to perfectly position the rectangle in the mobile suite region. From the top bar, lower the opacity as desired. Press Shift plus R to toggle on ruler if you want to work with that, then quickly drag in guidelines to meet the rectangle. Though Canva has great options when it comes to images, I prefer to use external sources as they offer a great variety. For this, head over to pixelbay.com. Try to search for an image with a theme that fits your needs. I choose to go with one with enough space in the middle so I can put my channel name and tagline. Ensure to download the highest resolution so the image will look good when you need to resize it. Back in Canva, from the left panel, choose Upload and upload your downloaded image. While like that, you can select the rectangle in the canvas. Select Position from the top bar, select the horizontal 3 bars to the right of the rectangle layer, and then click on Lock to lock the shape in place. Back under Upload, double-click on your uploaded image to bring it onto the canvas area, then resize it to fill the canvas. Right-click over it, choose Layers and choose Send to Back to bring every other element to the front of it. Next, we are going to add in some text. For this, click on Text from the left panel, scroll through different text templates, and click on the one that matches your needs. Some texts are often grouped together, so for this, I'll have to ungroup and edit individually, then group back. Adjust the text size and color, and then position it as you see fit. Next is the tagline. For this, I will add a text box which can be gotten from the text panel. I will select a font and then adjust the text and position just below my channel name. I will quickly just change the color of the first half of my channel name, and that's it. You are done. You can quickly download this design by clicking on Share from the top right side of the menu bar, then click on Download to have it set to your device. After that, head over to your YouTube channel and customize it with this new design to see how it looks. Click on Publish when you are done with the new change to be effected. Click on View Channel and there you have it. Your brand new channel art looking nice and simple. So in summary, for your design, pick an image with sufficient space in the middle. Ensure you download it at a high resolution, follow the mobile first approach, and most importantly, don't forget to click like and hit the subscribe button, and I will see you in more videos to come.